Hospitality is, at its essence, about making your guests feel comfortable and relaxed. At the Delamar Hotels and Spas, we have always been committed to luxurious comfort and the safety and privacy of our guests, and never more so than in these uncertain times. My name is Charles Mallory, and I would like to personally welcome you back to the Delamar Hotels now that the stay-at-home restrictions have been lifted. We ask that you employ best practices in social distancing in all areas of the hotel, and the frequency of cleaning and sanitizing all of the high touch points in the hotel has been increased. Simply ask for anything you need. Our goal is to provide the service and experience that has become synonymous with the Delamar name.
We look forward to welcoming you back to the hotel.
Look forward to seeing you.
We look forward to see you when you come and dine with us.
Please feel safe to come back and ask us. We are here for you as always.
We look forward to welcoming you back to experience luxury, serenity, and hopefully joy.